cold in here. Well,
that was solid dope prompt.
You should have did the other song.
Which one?
I feel good. Well, you know, wake up in the morning and step out on their porch. I'll wait. Is you vlogging?
Oh my god.
Is she vlogging? I'll wait. No, really, I'll wait. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna talk to y'all for a minute. I'm gonna let y'all know now. This vlog is gonna be all over the place. I have recorded so much. I've also misrecorded so much stuff. I didn't record nothing from the pool. We got a pool out there. But this vlog's gonna be all over the place. So I hope y'all stay tuned and watch the whole video, because I promise it's worth it. I mean, it's a family all together. These are all of my siblings and my sibling spouses so far. And so, yeah, very exciting. It's a house full of 13 people with 13 different personalities. So, how much for fun can you get? For free. So yeah. So today is Friday. Today we're going to the beach. No, it's not like the actual beach, you know, like, you know, in Florida or whatever. It's I think this is the Gulf of Mexico or whatever. We were supposed to go fishing this morning, but we didn't want to get up at 6 in the morning to go fishing. So, we're going to go to the beach. After the beach, I think, when we come back, we're going somewhere tonight. I think they said it was like real bougie, real classy. I don't know if maybe some of that is going to be added in this. I'm not sure. Or if I should just make a separate video. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to edit it. But that's what we're doing tonight. But right now, I'm going to go downstairs. Everybody's down there finna eat breakfast. So we're going to go down there and, yeah, join them for breakfast. So follow me. I'll show you do it. Here we are.
Got some sauce in that room and take it away.
I found it. Call Haley.
Cause I shouldn't even eat breakfast. Michael Jordan.
When running happens, black people run.
And then everybody stop and you just stop.
And they're like,
what you wanna see? Or you wanna dance to? I don't know anyone who dance like you. Yeah, bum ba da bum ba da boom. In the party, dale, dale, dale. If you want to dance, just tell it. But I won't fall in, falling, falling, falling for you like one falling. Yeah.
So we out here finna go down to the beach, look at the views, you know the vibes. Joy. Brianka, and Alonzo, All right, so I was just informed that my little brother is down there feeding the seagulls. So now it's seagulls swarming the whole area. So let's see what we get when we go. We gotta walk down to, oh, a seagull. Look at me, I sound like a tourist. We're gonna walk down, go down the steps, walk along to there. There go my family right there, y'all. So we're gonna go down there and see them. All right, y'all, we might have a change of plans. I didn't think it was gonna be this hot out here. Now look, I already know what y'all finna say. Promise you did all this talking about when I put this wig on, it's over with. And clearly you'll see it's already over it before it started. But listen, if y'all actually knew how hot it was on this beach, y'all would give me a slide. And I'm telling y'all, the heat was unbearable. I'm from the South, but that heat right there is not what I'm used to. So please, carry on. Thank you. But it is, and I was gonna vlog. I was doing pretty good, but I cannot. So there, so I'm not sure how much footage I'm gonna get. I might get some pictures, but that's all you're gonna get. I keep looking here because I'm looking at the screen, but Kale.
What you wanna see? Are you wanna dance to? I don't know anyone who dance like you. Yeah, bum bada boom. In the party, dale, dale, dale. If you want to dance, just tell it. But I won't fall in. Falling for you like won't fall in, yeah.
Y'all, I told y'all I was gonna try to get some video camera footage, but it was just entirely too hot. And it was so hard for me to get anything. Like even right now, I can't even see my screen right now, so I'm just hoping that this turns out good. But we've been here for a couple hours now. Been in the water. It's been really fun. Goodness, y'all don't understand how hot it is out here. My feet are burning in this sand. But we finna leave here in a little bit, get something to eat, and then head back to the house. And then, yeah, I'll record some more then for you guys. But here's the fam.
Are we vlogging?
Yes.
Oh, well, we're out here at the ocean. I'm not going to tell you where because y'all be over there trying to find out stuff. Just know we by the ocean, straight up. We just enjoying ourselves.
Yes.
We got a whole private area to ourselves, like $2.50 an hour. So like, come out, look, you want to know where that, hit us up. If you want to know where it's at.
Don't hit us up if you ain't got no money. We do not play.
Private beach life.
Private beach.
You know what I mean? Just doing it big.
Yeah. Period.
We good.
Signing off.
We gotta pour the water out anyway. Ready?
Oh,
hey, my come on. Ooh. Yeah.
You're trying to send me in the shop. That's what it is.
Okay, come over here. We got you.
Okay.
You good?
Okay. Okay.
You gotta get your back leg back there.
Oh, God.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
It's your leg! Okay! You gotta get it out here, the sand.
What you wanna see? Are you wanna dance to? I don't know anyone who dance like you. Yeah, bum bada boom. In the party, dale, dale, dale. If you want to dance, just tell it. But I won't fall in. Falling for you like won't fall in.
No, look.
No, stop.
Sand. Head it out. Snow out. Yeah. Cake. What?
It was so cake.
Y'all can't do that.
Come here.
Rabbit.
Pass. New York.
Rabbit.
Pass.
Scalps up with you.
What was the last one?
Hell in the Kale. Pound the Kale. Pound the Kale.
What is that?
Open, step through. Listen. Tippy toes, fire, rocks, hot rock, wood, toe, wire. Oh, shoot. What's it called? Hey. Line walker, line.
I'm trying to know.
Okay. Clothes, pin on clothes.
Yeah.
Dressing up. Yeah, you got it.
We'll take it.
What? Trumpet, tuba, marching band, accordion, airbag, air horn,
Bagpipe.
belt, hitting, tennis.
No.
Hello, video world. This is Promise Tucker Daddy. Just wanted to let y'all know that I'm here doing something that I know need to be done. Her outro, my baby girl forgot to do her outro. Her daddy is coming up to clean up whatever she messed up. So I'm letting you know right now, I'm here and I'm keeping it going. Let the beat go on. Bye-bye.